Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or have solved promo Splice weekly constituents. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Splice and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.